Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche Panamera. First, let's explore the different driving modes available, like Sport and Sport Plus, to truly unlock your car's potential. Next, we'll delve into the intuitive cockpit, ensuring you know where every essential control is located for a seamless experience. Finally, we will cover the fundamentals of smooth acceleration and controlled braking, crucial for both performance and comfort. Moving on, let's discuss advanced driving dynamics. Engaging the paddle shifters allows for more connected and exhilarating manual gear change, giving you full control. Understanding how the Panamera's weight shifts during turns is key to maintaining balance and stability. We will also cover proper cornering techniques, ensuring you can navigate bends with confidence and precision, maximizing the car's impressive handling capabilities. Now, let's focus on safety and efficiency. Maintaining the correct tire pressure, typically around 35 psi, is vital for both grip and fuel economy. Regularly checking your oil and other fluid levels ensures your Panamera's engine runs smoothly and reliably for years to come. Always practice defensive driving, anticipating potential hazards to keep yourself and others safe on the road, making every journey enjoyable. To truly enhance your driving journey, consider enrolling in advanced driver training programs. These courses can refine your skills, making you an even more confident and capable driver. Exploring the various customization options available allows you to personalize your Panamera, making it uniquely yours. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It could truly change your perspective on wealth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.